Okay, here's the second in the place value films. We're going to be looking to see what happens to the right of the decimal point. So let's pop the decimal point in. Remember, that's a block of concrete, it doesn't move. When we move to the left of the decimal point, the numbers get larger by a multiple of 10. So we start with units, tens, hundreds, thousands. When we go to the right of the decimal point, they get smaller by a multiple of 10. So we start with tenths, and then we go to 100ths. Now you can write that in words if you want, but I'm a little bit lazy and it gets increasingly difficult to spell and takes up more room on the paper. So I think a fraction is more efficient here. So let us have a look at a number. If we start with, let's put any numbers in at all, 7, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, and a nice big fat decimal point in the middle. If we're reading this number, start off with the whole numbers, okay? Group them like you did before. 7,452, we can write that with a gap between the 7 and the 4 to show that we're grouping our hundreds, tens and units and then going into our thousands. Put in your decimal point and we have 1, 3. Now, oops, daisy, sorry, 1, 3. Normally we would say 1, 3, okay, so 7,452.13, we don't say 0.13. The exception is money. So if, for example, I made this into a monetary value, a nice large sum of money in fact, you could say here, £7,452.13. All right, so that's the only time we would say a number rather than the digits. Okay, this number is larger than this number by a multiple of 10. So if you think of this as 10 pence, and this is only 3 pennies, 3 pence. So each one gets smaller by a multiple of 10. If we want to carry on making our numbers smaller, go into 3 decimal places. Then we need to go not tens, not hundreds, but divide by 10 again to 1,000ths. Now we don't use thousandths often, but if you're going to be a professional athlete, or if you're thinking about taking a science or a maths A-level, or one of those subjects at a degree level, then you really, really need to know those numbers to 3 decimal places. So let's get used to it now. So let's have a couple of looks at tiny numbers. So here we go. Let's just rub this one out to get you out of the way. And pop a number in here. 9, 7, 6, 5, 9, 2, 3. Make that decimal point nice and big. So here we've got 9,765.923. Okay. In this number, the digit 9 here is doing the job of 9,000. In this 9 here, this is doing the job of 9 tenths. This is doing a tiny, tiny but very important job of just 3 thousandths, a really small number. And 2 tenths, 6 tens, and 7 hundredths. Okay, I hope that makes it clear. Just remember, decimal point, block of concrete. If you're travelling to the left, the numbers get larger by a multiple of 10. If you're travelling to the right, numbers get smaller by a multiple of 10. Well done.